NDA Government 3.0 is coming soon and the process of government formation is in full swing. NDA Parliamentary Party meeting will be held at 11 a.m. in the Central Hall of the Parliament today, where NDA MPs will elect Modi as their leader. Narendra Modi will also be addressing them during this meeting. Apart from the newly elected MPs of NDA parties, Rajya Sabha MPs of all the NDA constituents will also be present for the meeting, and chief ministers, deputy chief ministers of states ruled by the BJP and NDA constituents are going to mark their attendance as well. Additionally, apart from all these netas, floor leaders of the Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council of the states ruled by the BJP and the NDA constituents will also take part in the meeting. After Narendra Modi is elected the leader in the NDA parliamentary meeting, the NDA leaders will meet the president to stake claim to form the government. The oath ceremony will then take place on the 9th of June at 6 p.m. An accommodation request for 7,000 to 8,000 guests, 7,000 to 8,000 people have been made for the event, which will include prominent persons from various walks of life such as doctors, artists, cultural performers, influencers, and leaders of the South Asian countries as well. Ahead of the NDA parliamentary meeting, we're also given to understand that the allies are holding meetings with their MPs. These are separate meetings that are happening before the parliamentary meeting. Chirag Paswan, Nitish Kumar, both of them in fact are going to meet their MPs. That's the update coming in.
सारे एमपी लोग को बोला गया है, सब लोग आ रहे हैं, सब लोग मिलेंगे, सारे लोग, सब लोगों से जो सलाह हो सकता है सब लोगों ने दिया है, उनको बताया है, और बिहार की मजबूती के लिए और देश की मजबूती के लिए जो हो सकता है वो जनता दल यू मिलकर बीजेपी के साथ करेगी। बर्थ मांगने का काम तो कभी नीतीश कुमार जी ने किया नहीं, कभी वो इस तरह का गठबंधन के साथ कभी बार्गेनिंग तो करते नहीं है। जो हमारी प्रतिष्ठा है उस प्रतिष्ठा के हिसाब से सब जगह मिलेगा।
ये तो बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मोदी जी थर्ड टाइम इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं। मीटिंग है, इसके लिए हम आ रहे हैं। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री भी आज आ रहे हैं। हमारे सांसद श्रीपाद जी वो कल लास्ट मीटिंग थी कैबिनेट की, इसके लिए आए थे, वो दिल्ली में।
Let's also get you some inside scoop on what's happening in terms of the allies making demands, the inside scoop on who wants what in the NDA Government 3.0. TDP seeking 4 ministerial posts. TDP also has now dropped the Speaker's post demand. That's the input that we are getting. JDU seeks Ministry of Railways, but the BJP wants to keep big 4 ministries with itself. Now that includes Defence, Finance, Home and the Ministry of External Affairs. But BJP is also keen on keeping infrastructure and agriculture with them. Let's bring in Sabyasachi for more on this. Sabyasachi, we just heard reactions. Party netas of TDP and JDU both claiming that, our leaders are not into such bargaining, not after portfolios. But like we've been getting the inside scoop, the allies definitely have their demands, and a list, in fact, of demands by these allies. That's something that the BJP will have to take into consideration.
Well, absolutely. Though the TDP and the JDU says that they are with the NDA and they have no condition from the government, but separately meetings are going on at different places and their own agendas and demands are being set. Today here in the national capital itself, 2 separate meetings is going to take place at around 9:30 a.m. at Chirag Paswan's residence and at Nitish Kumar's residence. As far as the sources from the JDU, the demands like the Ministry of Railway, the Ministry of Agriculture, as well as the Ministry of Jal Shakti. These are the 3 ministries which the JDU leadership is looking forward to. Apart from that, some of the agendas like Agniveer also, they would speak on it because they want the central government to review the Agniveer scheme, though they have said that they are not against the scheme, but because of the resentment that could be seen in different states, a review must be done. These are the demands and agendas which the allied partners would be bringing into the BJP. On the other hand, the BJP is very much keen on keeping the big ministry like the finance, the external affairs, the home, the defense, as well as the sources tell us the ministry like railway and IT is BJP not very keen on handing it over to the allied partners. Meanwhile, the TDP has asked for 4 ministries, though from the sources what we are picking is that they have dropped the speaker post, which earlier they said that they are demanding, but the JDU clearly has been demanding. While there is a tussle happening in the NDA camp, the INDI bloc netas are watching from a distance and they'll make a move when the time is appropriate. That's what the INDI bloc netas have been claiming. Let's listen to what Sanjay Raut is saying. Say on with the Sabyasachi.
मोदी जी बहुत बड़े नेता है, विश्व के नेता है। हम छोटे लोग हैं बहुत, उनके सामने इतने हम छोटे लोग हैं। वो तो विश्व गुरु है ना, वो तो देवपुत्र है, काशी पुत्र है। तो अगर उनके पास बहुमत भी नहीं है तो भी उनको अधिकार है सरकार बनाने का। राष्ट्रपति महोदय उनके हैं, तो उनको सरकार बनाने। तो जैसे कोई बुजुर्ग होता है तो हम बोलते पहले आप भाई, पहले आप, तो पहले आप मोदी जी बनाइए।